want a double that's going to make it look good. So let's go double. What's the rule? Immediately do the double bond. I should write that down, huh? So double to a single. So look ahead. It's going to go single. Then we got to get the double in here. So this is one of those that we want to keep the double in the middle because it's going to be a flat planar, and whatever's on the group is going to be on the outside. So that's got to go to a top. The chlorine, I believe, is going to be hanging off here. So that was a double. Immediately rule, like I just said. Color it in with the yellow. And if you want, you know, you don't have to draw the double diamond, because I like it this way too. So if you want to spread those out, put a line in between them, angle them, and get this thing going all the way around, go for it. You know, this, you're doing it your way. I'm just showing you how. You take this and run with it, kids. Going double to a single, the next one's going to be a double. That's why I'd hoped that diamond was lower, but it wasn't. Color the double bond. See, I was ready to put the other bond in there. Go to the top to the side. Okay, any diamonds we can color? Any Schroeder diamonds? There's one there. Over here. Got one here because of the double bond. We're probably going to have another one there. See, that one I colored in, which I shouldn't have actually, because I muffed it up. So let's fix that now. Since I make up the rules, I should abide by them. So even though that one's black, don't think about it. So while we're here, benzene ring, right? Just one on each constituent there. So 1, 2, a buckle my shoe. 3. Come along over here to our other one. We see 1. This was where I was saying keep them on the outside because that's what the real geometry of this thing has. And you count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our halogen thing. We're doing our crayons. We'll just keep it in crayons. So draw a square. Pretty big one, right? And we want green CL written in there. And we'll color with the crayon. And I guess draw the electrons in there. Like I said, I was the biggest pro electron guy in the world. Cheap. Find the cheapest pencils in the dumpster. So the carbons, we're back to the real stuff here. We're bringing this up. We got a chlorine tree there. So off this carbon, we'll go up 1. Watch. So we can get a feel for what we're doing. We're taking these up here and putting them here. So we got a carbon here. Next one up is going to have them all. So just draw the diamond. Get a purple marker. Schroeder diamond. The problem with DDT was the eggs. It wasn't that it was a poison itself, but all the eggs that the birds were laying were so mushy like, couldn't bring the little chicks to life. So we got trichloro, huh? No, Don't try chloro. Not good for you. Alien chemistry. Coming down, what do we see? Just the one. Come through all these guys. 1H, do this fast. One, I believe, is brown, isn't it? So we got to pick a color because the 1H on a benzene ring here is going to be the most predominant theme. So with 1H, is it going to be brown? I think it's good if you're keeping them dark. Although purple might look cool in the nucleic acid. When we get the nucleic acids, we'll have to figure it out. So even though that's got one, probably shouldn't have done that one. Just do that one black. Is it too late? So I guess there's a rule in coloring too. I'd always do your lightest colors first so you can go over them with dark to fix them. One there. So if anything, if we do get this down correctly, the color coding alone is what we're going to remember. Real electronegative off to the sides. Carbon, carbon, so those are close to each other. We don't need a line in there because, and boy, talk about a delta plus on this carbon. Big old delta plus. All the electron aliens pulling the electron density off that carbon. Sure don't look like one of them experienced painters you see on public access PBS. All right, so there you go.